Hunan Haozhi Nano Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, production and sales. The company was established in 2017 and is located in Changsha County, Hunan Province. It covers an area of more than 4,000 square meters, has standardized workshops and specialized precision production equipments. Adhere to the brand concept of let customers feel respect and esteem. We are focusing on the research and development, production and sales of PDLC smart film and smart glass that are mainly used in offices, hotels, residential villas, and medical institutions, bank, showcases, cars, yachts, etc. The company has equipped with advanced, fully automatic smart film coating equipment and laser cutting equipment, established a number of 100-level dust-free purification production workshops, have various analysis and testing equipment, and glass tempering furnaces and autoclaves for glass processing. We are committed to continuous improvement of quality and full process control. We have a professional and efficient research and development team and cooperate with many universities, always pays attention to the trend of cutting-edge technology, has long been engaged in the research and development of PDLC, SPD, materials, glass lamination technology, and etc., and constantly work out innovative and unique products and solutions. In addition, the company has passed ISO 9001 certification and IATF 16949 certification, obtained CE certification, FCC certification, and SGS certification report. Also get the High-Tech Enterprise certificate. Under the corporate mission of serving the country with industry and benefiting the public, we promote the PDLC smart film and smart glass products, have business contacts and services at home and abroad, and provide high-quality products and customized and efficient services for global customers.